Chapter 3. Technical Specifications. Engine Instrument Markings. The pipistrelle virus SW-80 has specific engine instrument markings that are crucial for monitoring and maintaining optimal engine performance. The tachometer, RPM, has a minimum RPM red line at 1600, a normal operating range, green, from 1600 to 5500, a caution range, yellow, from 5500 to 5800, and a maximum RPM red line at 5800. The oil temperature has a minimum temperature red line at 50 degrees Celsius, a normal range, green, from 90 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, a caution range, yellow, from 110 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius, and a maximum temperature red line at 140 degrees Celsius. The coolant temperature has a caution range, yellow, from 110 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, with a maximum temperature red line at 120 degrees Celsius. The oil pressure has a minimum pressure red line at 1 bar, 14.5 psi, and a maximum pressure at 6 bar, 87.0 psi. The electrical system includes a lithium phosphate battery and a 12-volt nominal 7.5 amp-hour alternator. This system provides dual electronic ignition at 12 volts and 250 watts at 5500 RPM, charges the battery, and supplies power to all appliances and instruments. It also provides power to navigation lights, strobe lights, cockpit lights, radio, GPS, and other instruments. These specifications ensure the aircraft's engine operates within safe and efficient parameters. Questions. Question number 1. What is the minimum RPM, red line, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80 tachometer? A. 1400. B. 1500. C. 1600. D. 1700. Question number 2. What is the normal operating RPM range, green, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80 tachometer? A. 1500 to 5400. B. 1600 to 5500. C. 1700 to 5600. D. 1800 to 5700. Question number 3. What is the caution range, yellow, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80 tachometer? A. 5400 to 5700. B. 5500 to 5800. C. 5600 to 5900. D. 5700 to 6000. Question number 4. What is the maximum RPM, red line, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80 tachometer? A. 5600. B. 5700. C. 5800. D. 5900. Question number 5. What is the minimum oil temperature, red, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 40 degrees Celsius. B. 45 degrees Celsius. C. 50 degrees Celsius. D. 55 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. What is the normal oil temperature range, green, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 80 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. B. 85 degrees Celsius, 105 degrees Celsius. C. 90 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Celsius. D. 95 degrees Celsius, 115 degrees Celsius. Question number 7. What is the caution range, yellow, for the oil temperature in the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 100 degrees Celsius, 130 degrees Celsius. B. 105 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Celsius. C. 110 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Celsius. D. 115 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Celsius. Question number 8. What is the maximum oil temperature, red, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 130 degrees Celsius. B. 135 degrees Celsius. C. 140 degrees Celsius. D. 145 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. What is the caution range, yellow, for the coolant temperature in the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 100 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Celsius. B. 105 degrees Celsius, 115 degrees Celsius. C. 110 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Celsius. D. 115 degrees Celsius, 125 degrees Celsius. Question number 10. What is the maximum coolant temperature, red, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 110 degrees Celsius. B. 115 degrees Celsius. C. 120 degrees Celsius. D. 125 degrees Celsius. Question number 11. What is the minimum oil pressure, red, for the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 0.5 bar, 7.25 psi. B. 1.0 bar, 14.5 psi. C. 1.5 bar, 21.75 psi. D. 2.0 bar, 29.0 psi. Question number 12. What is the maximum oil pressure for the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 5.0 bar, 72.5 psi. B. 5.5 bar, 79.75 psi. C. 6.0 bar, 87.0 psi. D. 6.5 bar, 94.25 psi. Question number 13. What type of battery does the pipistrelle virus SW-80 use? A. Lead acid. B. Nickel cadmium. C. Lithium ion. D. Lithium phosphate. Question number 14. What is the nominal voltage and amp-hour rating of the alternator in the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 12 volts, 6.5 amp-hour. B. 12 volts, 7.0 amp-hour. C. 12 volts, 7.5 amp-hour. D. 12 volts, 8.0 amp-hour. Question number 15. What is the power output of the alternator at 5,500 RPM in the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. 200 watts. B. 225 watts. C. 250 watts. D. 275 watts. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a function of the electrical system in the pipistrelle virus SW-80? A. Charges battery. B. Provides power to all appliances/instruments. C. Provides supply to navigation lights, strobe lights, cockpit lights, radio, GPS, instruments. D. Provides hydraulic power. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.